फलक फलक तुम ही मेरा पहला पहला प्यार हो। सीजन 2 कब आ रहा है यार? करंट आया, मैं मर गया, मुझे वो खट 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 करके उठाया गया है, बहुत पेन। Hi, this is Paresh Pahuja. I'm playing Mahi in Bandish Bandits Season 2. This is Scene Breakdown with Social Nation. Our music director, Saumil Shingarpure. Saumil, the graph of music in the scene that he has given, it's phenomenal. It's beautiful, and that I think that has added a lot to the scene. But I get very emotional about this scene. It's my favorite scene. And on paper इतना लिखा था कि ऐसा होगा और ये गुरु प्रणाम होगा, और पता नहीं था कि कौन क्या करने वाला है, कैसे करने वाले हैं. But when it happened, we all felt it. We all felt it in the room. And like somebody who has been waiting for recognition all his life, somebody who's been waiting to be recognized as a good musician, as a sitarist, as a somebody who didn't get training, somebody who was at a maybe tough childhood, maybe so much he's gone through in life and built up this strong personality, this wall ki nobody can mess with me. And then something like this happens to that person. First of all, genius of writing this scene. I don't know. It just happened. It just happened. I didn't do anything. It happened. It was Anand said, it was all these actors. They just created that energy in the room. Like some energy just passes through your spine and you allow it. You don't resist it then. That's your job. Your job is not to resist it. This was my audition scene. I sent this from, I was traveling, I was out, and I had nobody to audition with, nobody to give me cues. I was in Europe, and I get a call from the casting director, and they're like, "Aapko ye scene karke bhejna hai." I somehow managed. I got them on a video call with me, and this was the scene. This was the scene, but it became way more powerful when we were shooting it, because Anand Tiwari is one of the wittiest human beings I've ever met in my life, and he comes up with lines like this. So he kept on adding these analogies, these new things, and Ritwik kept responding, and we were jamming, and what ended up happening was something beyond what we'd expected. Like, it actually became so heated up. I could see that in Ritwik's eyes while shooting it. And there's a lot of hurt, there's a lot of pent up anger, resentment, and all of that just came out, which even I didn't know how will it come out, or because it ended up being very different than how I had done it in the audition. But we were just flowing with it. We never prepared what the response or the emotion is going to look like. We would just read it out. We know the beats, and we take a brief from Anand, and he's such an actor's director, Anand Tiwari, because he's an actor himself and he's a theatre actor. Good thing. So he would never plan कि मैं यहाँ कैमरा लगाऊंगा, आप यहाँ acting करो. He was always like कि आप करो पहले, आप करो, see where your body is taking you. I'll place the camera accordingly. If you want me to shoot handheld, I'll do that. This is your space. Do whatever you want, and then he would do it. So that was a fun process. That was such a fun process कि like इतना अच्छा लगता था being an actor कि अरे वाह, हमारे हिसाब से कैमरा लगेगा आज. I would love to give all the credit to my writers, and I want to mention Atmika, Karan Tyagi, Digant, Anand Tiwari, who kept on adding to it, and Amritpal, who was one of the co-creators of the show. It's a very big moral issue that the makers and the writers have brought in. Ki is the training of an art form should be limited to only a specific group of people, specific family of people. This is Garaj Garaj, rock version, and मैंने बजाया हंसा. This is Garaj Garaj rock version, and I had nightmares before this because I got a call in the middle of the night, like 11:30, 12, saying, "We are recording this in the studio. Why don't you come and join?" So I went, and the sitarist Purvayan Chatterjee was recording the song. He's one of the best sitarists in India. और मुझे पहले बताया गया था कि आपको शो में सितार बजानी है. मुझे लगा ठीक है, you can cheat for cinema always. And I go to Shankarji's studio, and this man, this maestro, this genius is playing the sitar, and he's going like, and I'm like, I told Anand sir, ये मुझसे नहीं होगा, ये what is this? And I went up to Purvyan sir and said, sir, थोड़ा easy बजाइए ना please. Right before the shoot of this, Ritvik and I were both sitting like two kids before an exam. I was like learning all my parts. एकदम ये note, एकदम mean ये है, एक तान है. पर it was even more difficult for him क्योंकि ये जो सरगमे हैं ये बहुत मुश्किल हैं. And he had to memorize all of it. And after memorizing, he had to enact those, which is very difficult. So we were both like nice little kids. We were sitting together and helping each other. And yeah, responsibility thi because Garaj Garaj is an iconic song. So we had to get it right. We had to set the tone right. Na zyada, na kam. We had to, both of us had to kind of show the mastery that we have. और एक और pressure था कि light जा रही थी because we were shooting in a location where we were shooting with natural light. So light जा रही है वो अलग pressure है क्योंकि every 10 minutes light is changing and we are shooting around evening time. So we had to get it done very fast. Also, there were multiple angles to be shot with. It was a lot of fun because I've sung that Falak Falak version. So जो मेरी एक और ख्वाहिश थी कि मैं शो में गाना गाऊँ, वो भी हो गया. I mean, I didn't sing any of the official soundtracks, but I sang Falak Falak, which is the parody of the iconic Garaj Garaj. Social Nation exclusive. I have sang Falak Falak. Nobody knows this. Now you do. This is my mom's favorite scene, and you know why? She's like, बेटा फेरोजी कलर का शर्ट तेरे पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, and I'm like, mom, फेरोजी कलर क्या होता है? And she explained like this specific color is called ferozi color, which is not blue, which is not green, which is somewhere in between, turquoise or but ferozi, and I love this word ferozi color. Again, this might come across as a comic scene, but this is again the clash of ideology. And the point that was to be communicated was कि भाई one for the kitchen, one for the soul. So despite being this creative genius that Mahi is, he also is kind of somebody जो भाई दुनियादारी समझता है कि मुझे अगर ये करना पड़ा शादी, wedding, birthday, मुंडन तो मैं वो भी करूँगा so that I can do my other creative work. This scene is the scene where I'm actually meeting the entire Rathore family and I'm meeting Radhe again after everything that's happened between us. It's like we are two lovers and we are meeting after a fight and one of them is being cool and teasing and the other one is like, well, how could you? I don't want to be in this again. मतलब वो ये सीन दिखने में जितना cool है, relaxed है, मेरे लिए मुश्किल था because in front of me some of the legendary actors are standing. The whole Rathore Gharana is in front of me. तो वो सब छुपा के दबा के between action and cut. मेरा बीच-बीच में fan भी बाहर आ जाता है ना कि बंदिश बैंडिट season 1 का. But I had to curb that person down. I had to curb myself, and between action and cut, I had to be this. But yeah, this was that scene. सब खड़े हैं सामने. And my question was like, season 2 कब आ रहा है यार? Then oh shit, I'm in it. I have to act. I was a fan. I was a fan who was a part of the show. Season 1 के बाद मैं इंतज़ार कर रहा था season 2 कब आने वाला है. And turns out I got to get a call saying you're playing a part in it. So I was very nervous. And the first time I met everybody, they are in their costumes. So Shivaji साड़ी में हैं, राजेश जी, everybody and their instruments. He's holding a flute and she's sitting with her veena and she's looking like Meera. That's how I met them. But they were very warm. They made me feel at home from day one. And it's a party. Like between shots, क्योंकि इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स रखे हुए हैं वहाँ पे, तो किसी को बजाना आता है अच्छे से तो वो बजा रहा है, जिसको नहीं बजाना आता तो वो ठक 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 वो भी बजा रहा है. सो इट वाज अ पार्टी बिकॉज यू हैव एक्सेस टू ड्रम्स, द गिटार, द फ्लूट, यू नेम एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. सो और हम लोग ना कभी ब्रेक में कहीं जा रहे हैं, पैकअप होने के बाद भी वन ऑफ द डेज आई स्टेड बैक फॉर लाइक 4-5 more hours because I really liked the song that they were shooting. It's Ghara Mahi. So I stayed back. It was a night shoot. मेरा 2 बजे ख़त्म हो गया और मैं 6 बजे तक रुका रहा क्योंकि मुझे वो इतना मज़ा आ रहा था देख के. लाइव कॉन्सर्ट चल रहा है मेरे सामने, घरा माही वो जुगलबंदी चल रही है. I'm like, मैं नहीं जा रहा हूँ घर. I do this. मैं सुन रहा हूँ they're performing a little classical piece in front of me and I stopped them and I'm like, do you think this is rock? And then I tell them rock is about rebellion. Being a musician helps for sure because you understand, like I know how to play the guitar and the piano, not like the leads in phenomenally well, but I understand basic music theory when I sing and I compose. That really helped because there is a lot of technicality, a lot of scales, a lot of rags that are involved. तो वो समझने में आसानी तो हुई उस चीज़ की वजह से. But sitar is something I never in my wildest dreams thought I'd pick up. I used to feel very intimidated. It has to be an extended limb. It shouldn't feel alien. I was always carrying the sitar. मेरे घर पे भी whatever I'm doing, it would always be with me. It would touch some part of my body. I was sleeping with it without trying to make it sound dramatic about it. But I was actually in my bed. Sitar would be with me, next to me. So that it becomes such a strong part of my subconscious that doesn't feel alien. इस शो के थ्रू मुझे गुरु की अहमियत समझ आई है कि गुरु की अहमियत कितनी होती है हमारी लाइफ में कि आप अकेले कुछ नहीं कर सकते. यू हैव टू सरेंडर टू समबडी एंड रियली सरेंडर विदाउट एनी ईगो कि आप मुझे सिखाओ, नॉट क्वेश्चन इट. क्योंकि शुरू के 4-5 दिन इतने बोरिंग होते हैं कि मैं क्या 4 सेम ही नोट्स बजाऊँ, मैं सेम, अच्छा आज भी सेम बजाऊँ, अच्छा आज भी सेम बजाऊँ. आपको नया नया ना मुझे तो पर सर मुझे तो ये करना ना, ये आप क्या ये करना. But you have to just trust and surrender and then just wait for magic to happen. I think we share incredible amount of love and respect for music to a point of obsession. जिद है मेरे में भी है, माही में भी है. कूलनेस थोड़ी मुझे चाहिए लाइफ में. फलक फलक हैप्पी बर्थडे जश्न जश्न आज हो, धड़क धड़क दिल ये बोले तुम ही तो मेरे प्यार हो. फलक फलक तुम ही मेरा पहला पहला प्यार हो. हैप्पी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, जश्न ये तेरे नाम हो. Thank you, Social Nation, and make sure, guys, you please follow Social Nation for more such content. And follow me also. Oh yes, okay, done. Okay, drama. The girl wants drama. सही पकड़े हैं, बताइए. हाँ, तो should I look in the lens only? हाँ, I'll look in the lens. हाँ, क्या बोल रही हो? ड्रामेबाज कैमरा मिला, कुछ ड्रामा मिला इसमें? नहीं बोलूँ. उस दिन हमारे सेट पे मर्डर हो गया था. उस दिन सितार मैंने बजाई, करंट आया, मैं मर गया. मुझे वो खट 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 करके उठाया गया है. ऐसे जवाब देना है तो वो भी दे सकता हूँ, कोई बात नहीं. मुझे CPR दिया गया सेट पे. बोले भाई सितार कौन बजाएगा, चलो उठो. नहीं, हम सब पे जवाब देंगे. बहुत पेन था मेरे अंदर, अभी भी है.